Upbeat, slightly mysterious intro music starts and fades into the background. Hey there, and welcome back to Lifejesting, the place for all the useless facts you just can't forget. Today, we're diving deep into the most underrated organ in your body, your stomach. Prepare to have your mind blown, because what's happening inside you right now is stranger than science fiction. Did you know that your stomach literally rebuilds itself every 3 days? That's right. If it didn't, the powerful acid inside would digest the stomach itself from the inside out. It's a constant, incredible cycle of self-preservation. Imagine having to rebuild your house every 3 days just to keep it standing. That's what your stomach does, without you ever thinking about it. Let's talk about that acid. The hydrochloric acid your stomach produces is strong enough to dissolve metal. I'm not kidding. It could turn a razor blade into goo. So, how does your stomach survive this internal chemical warfare? It's all thanks to a thick layer of mucus that coats the stomach lining, acting like a suit of armor against its own corrosive power. This protective shield is constantly being renewed, ensuring the acid only breaks down your food, not you. And to survive this constant acidic onslaught, the stomach lining has to regenerate at an astonishing pace. Every 72 hours, brand new cells replace the old ones. It's a complete renovation, ensuring the barrier remains strong and intact. But your stomach is far more than just a digestion machine. Have you ever heard of the gut-brain axis? Scientists are now calling your gut your second brain. Why? Because it contains its own complex nervous system, with millions of neurons that communicate directly with your brain. This is why you get butterflies when you're nervous or a gut feeling about something. Your stomach isn't just processing food, it's processing emotions and information, influencing your mood, your stress levels, and even your decisions. It's a sophisticated command center hidden right in your belly, and it's not working alone. Your gut is home to a bustling metropolis of over 100 trillion bacteria. That's more bacteria than there are stars in our galaxy. These microscopic residents aren't invaders, they're essential partners. This gut microbiome helps you digest food, produces vital vitamins, and even trains your immune system. Most of them are working tirelessly to keep you healthy and alive. It's a symbiotic relationship on an epic scale, happening inside you right now. Ever wondered what happens to the meal you just ate? Don't expect a quick trip. From the moment you swallow, your food embarks on a long and winding journey. It can take a staggering 30 to 40 hours for a meal to travel through your entire digestive tract and leave your body. Digestion isn't about speed, it's about precision. Every nutrient is carefully extracted, and every process is meticulously controlled. It's a slow, methodical masterpiece of biological engineering. And what about that rumbling sound your stomach makes, even when you're not hungry? That's not a sign of hunger. It's the sound of housekeeping. Between meals, your stomach and intestines go through a cleaning cycle called the migrating motor complex. These muscular contractions sweep out leftover food particles and bacteria to keep your digestive system clean and ready for the next meal. So when your stomach rumbles, it's just tidying up. So, let's circle back to where we started. Every 3 days, your stomach is brand new. Think about that for a second. If you're 30 years old, you've technically had over 3,600 different stomachs in your lifetime. This constant renewal is a powerful reminder of the body's incredible ability to heal and regenerate. You are not a static being. You are a dynamic process of constant change. Your stomach rebuilds itself, your cells regenerate, and you are never exactly the same person you were yesterday. Our bodies are truly amazing, aren't they? If you enjoyed learning something new today, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more facts you can't forget. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.